If you are earning less than 20,000 Rand a month in South Africa, I want you to pay very close attention and listen to this video and what I'm about to say. Look at these stats quickly. This is what I typed into ChatGPT, and long story short, less than 90% of the, or about 90% of the population earns 20,000 Rand or less. 73% of the population earns about 6,000 Rand or less. That's crazy. Now, if you enjoyed this type of content, give this video a like and let me know in the comments right now, what do you currently earn per month? Now, here's the thing. Did you know that you can double your income? And I'm going to show you how. The opportunity for you to do so is right here, right now. You watching this video. Is it a guarantee? No, my friend, because I don't know you. I don't know if you're going to put in the work. I don't know if you are necessarily going to follow the steps. I don't know you as an individual, so I don't know what you are willing to do in order to make it happen. But can you do it? Absolutely. Is it a possibility? Absolutely. I've done it. By the way, my name is Errol, just an ordinary dad and family man who came across a step-by-step guide that's assisted me in making over $23,300 in South Africa at this point in time. And I started with $100. How crazy is that? Now, hear me out. If you let's say earn anywhere from 17 to 20,000 Rand a month, if you make one sale where you get to keep 100% of the profits, hear me out. If you make a $900 sale, my friend, you have literally just basically doubled your income. One sale a month. If you make 2 sales a month, you have literally doubled, almost tripled your income. How phenomenal is that? Now, if you earn 6,000 Rand a month, listen to this. If you make one $300 sale a month where you get to keep 100% of the profits, you have almost doubled your income. And if you make 2 $300 sales a month, my friend, 2 $300 sales, that is nothing. You have literally not only doubled, but you have almost tripled your monthly income. Does that sound like something of interest to you? Give me a like. I want to know. By the way, if you know what it is that I'm doing, guiding brand new individuals, no technical skills, no experience, to make their very first dollar online, and how I managed to, and the program that I've used, the step-by-step system that's assisted me making this, comment yes, and I'll share the info with you.